Pest identification must come before treatment, so you only use the right DIY pest control products for the species present. Use mobile apps and digital identification keys as your first diagnostic step, but treat them as tools, not final authority. Start by taking multiple clear photos of the specimen and its surroundings, including close-ups of diagnostic features like wing venation, mouth parts, leg segmentation, or plant damage patterns. If possible, capture the organism from different angles and include a scale such as a coin or ruler. Upload those images to community platforms such as iNaturalist and BugGuide, where experienced identifiers will comment, and cross-reference with University Extension diagnostic pages or Extension Service apps for region-specific guidance. Learn the key distinguishing traits for common local pests so you can spot lookalikes. For example, immature insect forms can resemble spiders or tiny beetles, and some beneficial insects mimic pests, so check behavior as well as morphology. Use the app search filters to narrow results by geography, host plant, or damage type, and read comment threads for consensus rather than relying on a single automated match. Save records of confirmed identifications with date and location so you build a reference collection for recurring issues on your property. When an app gives ambiguous matches, seek a formal opinion from your county extension by sending the best images and notes on behavior and habitat. Common mistakes include submitting blurry or single-angle photos that prevent accurate ID, so always take multiple focus shots with scale and habitat context. Relying solely on an automated match without human verification leads to misidentification, so use community feedback and extension resources to confirm uncertain cases. Treating based on a guessed ID can waste money and harm non-target species, so if you are not confident after app and community consultation, contact your local extension for diagnostic help before applying any chemical or biological control. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users share pest ID experiences and recommendations for DIY pest control products. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to homeowners who need hands-on help after identification.